What's up friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add a new address on Allegro. So once you're on your Allegro account, simply click the drop down on the upper right hand side, then switch to the accounts tab, then click on my account. Now from here you want to scroll down a bit and you will either find the delivery address, and you can click on manage that address, or you can simply click on my account details. Whichever section you choose, you'll be able to add the address there. So if you scroll down a bit, you will see your address and you can set the address. Here you can type in whatever you want. So I can go ahead and I can just say, let me just type in something Prague, and I will just put in some code here, and I will just put in Prague again and leave it like that and click on save. And as you can see, I add a new address here on Allegro. At any point in time you want to go ahead and add a new address, you can always go ahead and add it. If you want to change it, just simply click on the alter to edit and you can change it to whatever you want. And that's it guys, very easy and very simple.